So today I'm just gonna show you guys this product. It's to help with nail design. I think like cat eye or like a cat design. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Cat eye DIY nail art design. Yeah. So this is how it looks. This is what you get when you open the product. These things are like little magnets and they stick to this. This is how it came. So if you're into DIY nail design, like it does that too. Um and you want to like, because I know getting your nails done is pretty expensive and you prefer to do them yourself, I do recommend investing in some products to like help you with designs and stuff like that. Or if you're a nail tech, this is like a great product for you. If you want to see examples of nail designs, of what these tools can do for you, I recommend you to check their product page, as it shows some nail designs that's possible while using these tools. And yeah, basically, this is all I can say about it. But it's pretty lightweight too. It's not heavy. It's smooth to the touch. This thing's a magnet. It also sticks on this too. But yeah, this is basically it.